Hey guys, it's been a little bit. Oh, hey guys, it's Tony. It's been a little bit since I did a Bitcoin TA. I actually think we're reaching a pretty important level right now, and I think it's gonna happen within the next couple of days. I actually think that Bitcoin is gonna surge another 24,000 points or $24,000 in the next, I don't know, month or so. It is looking like that's going to happen. The previous time we crossed bullish on the MACD on the day chart, this is exactly what we did. We went from 17,000. We went from 17,000 to 42,000. I think that we're actually hitting lows, and I think we're gonna rally again. We're about to cross on the day chart on the bullish side, and the stochastic is already showing signs of the bottom, right? And also, we did keep this trend. We were 100% above this Fibonacci trend going downwards. So all we're doing, we did keep above this level, above this little trend line going down, and we traded sideways, right? So I do think that right now, as soon as we cross on this bullish side for the day chart, I do think we're gonna blow completely out of the water, and we're headed towards $53,000. We might hang around this level again, maybe retest the 42,000, and I think the next time we actually blow up, it's going to go up to 62,000. So I think as of right now, I think I am calling that we're headed back towards the bullish side, man. I do think that Bitcoin within the next month or so, we're going to be hitting over $50,000. I actually bought some Riot calls because I did think, I had a feeling. I did some TA. I know you guys know that I love Riot. And with all this hype going around crypto, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna sell some of my, I'm gonna get liquid, right? And I bought a whole bunch of Riot calls. I think I bought like $1,000 or $2,000 with the Riot calls. And I do think that this weekend is gonna be a nice start to another rally on the upside for crypto, especially with Elon Musk putting BTC in his bio, all the hype that Doggy is getting, all the hype that I think XRP is getting. It's getting pumped right now or something. I don't recommend you guys jump on that train. XRP, I love XRP for a long time, but with the whole SEC thing happening right now, I'm just kind of staying out of it. I don't think the risk is actually good enough to get into XRP. But Doggy, I'm all for it, 100% support it. I think it's a great, I think it's amazing, right? I love Doggy Coin for what it stands for, the community, everything. But anyways, back to Bitcoin. I think I'm calling it right now. I think that it's my wife talking about our baby. I think that within the next month, there's a huge chance that Bitcoin hits $50,000. We are about to cross the day chart on the MACD. And again, like last time we did this, we rallied about 24,000 points and we hit that 42,000 level on Bitcoin. And I do think right now, especially with Doggy Coin hitting lows, I just bought another $5,000 worth of Doggy, and I'm going to be holding for the next month or so just to kind of gauge to see what's going on. But I do think that we are headed back to the upside, and I do think within the next month or so, Bitcoin is possibly going to hit $50,000, especially with the day MAC crossing and with the stochastic creating new lows, and we're also staying above this Fibonacci trend line, right? So I do think that all of these are creating a really good confluence to kind of give us an indication that Bitcoin more than likely is headed upwards again. And I think it's absolutely fantastic. The next fib level is actually going to be $62,000. So I think that first we might hit 50K. So I do think first, we're going to start going towards 50K. We might come back, retest this, like the $41,000 level, and then head back up to $62,000. As long as Bitcoin doesn't get some crazy news or whatever, and like it goes to, like some like that it doesn't work anymore and stuff, I do think we're well underway within the next month or so at hitting a Bitcoin of $50,000, and possibly within the next 2 months or so, Bitcoin hitting 62K. I wholeheartedly believe that that's statistically, I think there's like an 80-90% chance of that happening, especially with the technical analysis completely supporting a bullish move to the upside, which I think is fantastic. So I'll see you guys later. This is another TA. If you guys want me to do any other TA for any other tickers that you like, any crypto, any companies, any stocks that you guys would like, I'm more than happy to do it for you guys. Just let me know. Leave a comment below as to what ticker you want me to work on. I think I'm going to release a TA on probably, people were asking me to release a TA for Ethereum, a TA for AMC, a TA for Nokia, BlackBerry, and I think a TA, somebody was asking me a TA for like Polkadot, the crypto. But anyways, I mean, you guys know I love doing these for you guys as long as you guys keep watching, right? So 100%, drop a like, drop a comment, and then just, if you guys want me to work on something, a TA, and give you guys my own opinion of this, feel free to just comment it below, and I'll see you guys later. Have a really good weekend.